Hello Cricuters, and welcome to Cricuting with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and I am not making anything. I am actually just unboxing my mystery box. It finally arrived. I think this is my third Cricut mystery box. I have my two cuties right there. I don't know if you can see them. I hope you can because they sure are cute. Someone asked me, what do you do with a cutie? Nothing. They're just cute. They do their job. They're cute. That is their job. While I'm opening this, if you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining me. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you are new and you haven't considered subscribing, I highly suggest you do because I upload new content every week. And I do keep a very consistent schedule, so you can go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications because like I just said, I upload new content all the time. All right, so when I open the box, this is what it looks like, and I will hold up everything that's in here. Let's see. This is a set of metallic pens. They're 1.0, so these pens can be used when you're making cards and they can be used for personalizing. So I have not done much with my pens. I do have a set of pens already. This is a True Control knife set. What I like about this, and you saw I use my knife to open this box, is that when you get ready to change the blade, you don't have to touch the blade ever. You just push down on this little button on the bottom of the knife and stick the old blade. It'll pop the old blade out and you can just pop the new one right in. So this is very safe. I like this. I've actually purchased a couple of these just because I like to have everything. All right, we have a cutie. That's what's in this box. It is a cutie, and I'm sure it is cute. He is a cute addition to the two that I already have. So y'all say hello. Okay. They said it, you couldn't hear them. Okay. All right. Cricut has a special right now that they're doing for Cricut Access members. So it's kind of like you have to be a Cricut Access member to get access to the mystery box. All right, so this is premium vinyl. It's holographic sparkle. There are 3 sheets that are 12 by 24. So pay attention to, what you're getting. I don't know if you saw my video where I said pay attention to what you're getting with your vinyl. This is adhesive foil. Okay. Let's see if it says how much. It's this bejeweled sampler. It looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like 5 sheets in here. Oh yeah, 5 sheets that are 12 by 12. Okay. There's also foil iron-on transfer. It's 1 sheet that's 12 by 24, so that's 2 feet. That's the same length as one of the longer mats. Holographic sparkle vinyl. There's 1 sheet that is 12 by 48, so this one is 4 feet. There's nothing in here, so this is a placeholder. This is permanent glitter vinyl. There are 3 sheets in here, and there are 12 by 24 sheets. Okay, and there's gold, silver, and black. All right, let me put this on the floor for 1 second. And let's see, sparkle sampler. This is a bejeweled sampler. Oh, this is very pretty. Okay, this is very, very, very pretty. Okay, so it's just, there are 5 different colors, and it's all of the heavyweight paper, bold colors. It has like a shimmer to it, not glitter, but like I would just call it a shimmery look to it. It's very pretty. So I'm excited about that. And let's see what this is. Poster board metallics. Okay. There are 6 sheets. They are 12 by 12. Metallic colors with a white core. Okay. And I haven't ever used this before, so this will definitely be a learning experience for me. But they put some examples on the back of how this paper can be used. It's metallic finish material, scores easily and crisply for 3D projects, such as gift boxes and dimensional embellishments, okay? So this is very pretty. There are 6 colors in here of this, all right? So that is what is in the mystery box. As with any mystery box, most people are most excited about the cutie, and I am equally excited about the cutie. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't already, do the 3 things: hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications, because as I said, I do upload new content every single week without fail. All right, thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.